Hello friends, this is my car Baleno. It's Alpha and it's been 2.5 years old, and after 2.5 2 years, since there was an electric warranty, and I was informed like if you tamper the wire there will be no warranty for electrical things like electric things. So I have just installed a up model, and what it is, the window glass automatically goes up, all the 4 windows get closed, and also the mirror folds. I'll just show you how it works. See, I'm just locking my car. I'll lock my car. You can just see one side, like step by step it goes, and you can just see other side it's getting closed, and now this is getting closed, and you can just see, and other side is getting closed. And this is very useful, like people who sit in the back side, sometimes they forget to close the, see, I'm just opening it, the mirror get open and the glass doesn't get down. See, okay. And sometimes the people in the back side, they forget to close the glass, and the glass be open, and it will not be safe for you people. And so what I have done is like this is a company called RD, and I have installed in my car. And what they do is they put a circuit board over here, this side. They'll remove this part, and they'll fix it here. And this is completely safe. Like people say it damages, it will not work. For me, it's been 6 months. It's completely fine. It's working. I have no issues. And I'll just show you again how it works. And just I'll turn on my car ignition. And few people, so what they, I'll get a music over here and shut down. Okay, fine. Okay, and what few people says, they don't like to close the glass completely. They give a gap here, so the hot air goes out of the car. So what you can do is you can just unlock this, lock this glass, and you can give a gap. I'll just show you. And see here, there is a gap. I'll just show you a few more things. And I'll off the ignition car. See here, you can just see people, there's a gap. Few people, they don't close the windows completely, and they give a gap here for air to go out. And I'll just lock the car. You can just see the mirror get closed. Sorry, I forgot to lock this. See, again I'll show you. There's a gap, and I'll lock this mirror lock, and I'll shut this. And now see here, and this doesn't close completely, and this is the useful. So again, if you unlock it, see here, only the mirror get opened, and this doesn't open down or open up. It will be a fix since you have locked the glass here. So once you release this, and again if you want, you can just close it. Again, if you want, you can just close it, and you can just lock it. That's all, friends. And it costed me around 3,000, including the glass up and the mirror folding. See, I'll just close it. The mirror got closed, and also the glass, the window glass. So that's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Please do like and comment on the video, and if you have any questions, you can leave a comment on this video. Thank you.